welcome, I'm Chef Caleb here. Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla ice cream with vanilla powder and some other ingredients. And a blender and ice cream maker in a pan. So let's get started. We're first going to talk about our ingredients. We have our coconut cream, our cane sugar, maple syrup, coconut butter, and vanilla powder. You can get all the measurements and the ingredients for this recipe at berkeleychefs.com. The links will be in the description or the comments below this video. So first we're going to put everything into the blender. Our coconut cream. We use full fat whipping cream. Yes. We want to put our maple syrup in. I'm also going to get some olive oil and we pour it in. We have our olive oil and we're going to pour it in. Olive oil, we're adding olive oil to add more creaminess. You can also use coconut oil or avocado oil too. We're going to add our cane sugar, vanilla powder, and our coconut butter. You can also use cashew butter too. It's optional. For more creaminess, we add coconut butter. We're going to blend our mixture together. Well, good. I'm gonna mix it up. Shake it a little. Use the spatula and break it up. It's a little pulpy now. What you want to do is keep blending it until it becomes creamy. Okay, so now it's creamy. It's like a liquid. We're gonna put it in our ice cream maker and let it churn.
Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. Now let's go back to the video.
We want to scrape this off. I can't wait to try this healthy vanilla ice cream. This vanilla ice cream is vegan, easy to make, and it's so delicious. I love vanilla ice cream. So I want to put this piece in here. Put this on so it's locked. And turn it on. You want to mix it for the time your instructions say to churn and mix the mixture to turn it into ice cream. So our ice cream mixture is done here. It's turned into a nice creamy texture of cream. We're gonna take this out. Let's see, we're gonna put it in this pan. Oh, this is creamy. Oh, so creamy. You could eat it just alone right now and it will be like a sorbet. but we want ice cream, so we're gonna make a little ice cream, yes. This is why you guys came for, to learn how to make ice cream. So we're gonna make ice cream. Okay, we're gonna just then take the rest out. Just get a spoon and scrape this up, and I'll put everything in.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
This is an awesome summer hat. Berkeley Chef's Smackalicious hat is an awesome hat to keep the sun out of your eyes on sunny days like this one. We also have other hats like this one and this one. You can get any of the hats that you saw on the screen at berkeleychefs.com/getyourgear. Bye!
So I'm gonna put this ice cream into the freezer for 1 to 2 hours, and we'll be right back.
1.5 hours later.
So we're back here. The ice cream I put in the freezer. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes, and we let it thaw out for about 5 minutes, and now we're ready to taste. I put a little blueberries on top. I'm a big fan of berries, you know. So it's cold, refreshing, sweet. That blueberry on top, add that berry kick to it. I can really taste the vanilla. It's super creamy. It's absolutely delicious, and it's making me cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out this strawberry ice cream video Chef Elisha make. I'll leave it up here or in the description below this video, and I'll see you in another video next time. Bye!